Hello, I am audible. Hello, all. Hello. Hi, all. Good morning. I am audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello. Hi, good morning, everyone.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, can you see my screen? So in last session, just we discussed about what? How to create one virtual machine in Microsoft Azure, right? Yeah. So this is the virtual machine that we have created. Web server 01. Now if people tell me, guys, what is the subscription? It's a collection of, it is collection of resource group.
Resource group.
Okay, what is the resource group? Collection of
It's a
resources.
collection of resources.
Yeah. Now have a look. This is the virtual machine. So the moment when you click on virtual machine, it is loading all the properties of the VM. This is the VM name and what is that? VM properties. Okay. So what is the current status? It is the stopped deallocated. Okay. Stopped in the sense deallocated. Okay. For example, if, what is that? If the virtual machine is stopped status, billing cycle also was stopped. Okay, if virtual machine status shows that it is in stop, even billing cycle also was stopped. Okay, yeah, next. There is no billing for this virtual machine during stopped status. Okay, so these are the tags which we have provided while creating virtual machine. Now, why it is showing stopped status? I did not start. I did not stop the server manually. So, but I could say it is a stopped state.
Yesterday we set the time to stop at 12.
Yes, exactly. Yesterday, there is a auto shutdown feature that we have enabled. At midnight, 12 o'clock, my server has been shut down. Okay, now go ahead and start.
Hello, sir. Are you speaking?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, yes, yes. Tell me.
Okay. I thought you were speaking, and I was the only one who was not able to hear you.
That's yeah. See, the VM has been stopped status. Have you see now? The status is running. Okay, now copy this IP address. Now navigate to MS. Yes. Okay, paste it. Connect. Okay, paste it. Connect. Okay, now go ahead and run. 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 Okay, now go a cloud admin. Now SharePoint at the rate of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is the virtual machine. Now I would like to deploy one application on top of this VM. Okay, yeah, next, first thing, how we can deploy the application. To deploy ASP.NET application, we have to install IIS web server, guys. What is the full form of the IIS? INET?
Internet Information Services.
Internet
Information Services.
Information Services. What is that? Internet Information Services. Okay, simply we can say, what is the IIS? IIS is the web server, first point. IIS is a web server. And it is used to deploy ASP.NET application. To publish that into outside of the world is called IIS. So what is the IIS, guys? IIS is the web server and it is used to deploy ASP.NET application and publish that into outside of the world is called IIS. Okay, by default, IIS we will get along with Windows operating system, Windows OS, whether it is client-side OS or server-side OS. Okay, by default you will get IIS version with Windows operating system. Okay, so default IIS version in the market at present, latest version of IIS in the market is 10.4. Okay, that we will get along with Windows Server 2022, guys. Along with Windows Server 2022. Okay, so this is the interview question. What is the IIS? IIS is a web server and it is used to deploy ASP.NET application. Okay, ASP.NET application. Okay, right? Next. Okay, yeah, next. So latest version of IIS in the market is IIS 10.0. That you will get Windows Server 2022. Now leave it. Now navigate to web server. Here we have to install IIS web server. Just open server manager. This is the server manager. Add roles and features. Okay. Yeah. Next. Here we have IIS web server. Expand it. Next. Okay. Yeah. So see, guys, read it out. Could you please read it out? This one. Web server IIS provides a reliable, manageable, and scalable web application infrastructure. Got it? What is that? Web server IIS provide a reliable, manageable, and scalable web application infrastructure. Right? Yeah. Next. Just highlight next. Okay. Next. See, these are the components of web server. So few of the components are left. I am going to enable them. Each component, it will help us to route the request. Okay, maintain the proxy. Okay, next we can implement the roles. Also, we can redirect the URL. Okay, next we can also configure the FTP server, etc. Okay, just enable all these features. Clear? All these features of web server, guys. Okay, yeah, just click on next and install it. See, now IIS server installation is in progress. As I said, IIS is a built-in feature for Windows operating system. Now, if people tell me, I want to deploy one Java application. What is that? I want to deploy one Java application. Java application. Okay, yeah. So to deploy Java application, what is the web server should I install and configure?
Tomcat, Apache Tomcat.
Yeah, we have Apache. Okay, what else? We can also use WebLogic. Have you heard about it? WebLogic.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oracle Web.
Yeah, WebLogic is Oracle product. Okay. So also we have WebSphere. Have you heard about it, WebSphere? Yes, this is the IBM product.
IBM product.
Okay. Also we have JBoss. Have you heard about it, JBoss server? Yes. Also we have open source Nginx. Have you heard about it? Yes, that is web servers. So these many web servers are there in the market to deploy Java application. But very popular in the market are WebLogic. This is the paid version. WebSphere, WebLogic are paid version. Apache is a open source. Apache Tomcat is a open source. Okay. Yeah. Next. And that is about to host Java application. Like that, to install different types of applications, we have to install and configure what? Relevant web servers, guys. Okay. Yeah, see, still installation is in progress. Let us wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, along with Windows Server 2022, we will get what? We will get what? IIS 10.1. Okay, yeah, see, this is the installation is completed. See, feature installation. Installation succeeded on web server 01. So once it is done, try to reboot so that installation component would be reflected on top of this VM. Okay, just to start. Okay, click on forward, restart it. Yes. Okay, yeah, see, this is Windows Server 172.191.74.26. Now click on hit enter. Okay, username, password, SharePoint at the rate of 12345. Yes. Okay, yeah, so this is the IIS web server. We have installed and configured the IIS web server successfully. Now, how can I access that IIS web server, guys? How can I access? Start, okay, open command prompt, or else right click command prompt. Okay, yeah, next. So once you open the command prompt, what is the shortcut we can use? IIS, sorry, INET MZR. What is the shortcut, guys? INET MZR, Internet Manager, simply we can say. Hit enter. Sorry, you can open run command. Right click run command. INET MZR. Okay, INET MZR. Hit enter. See, this is the IIS web server. It is also should be open from command. That's it. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. It has been removed since. Now navigate to web server. Okay, this is the web server. This is the site. Okay, this is the sites. See, this is the default site. Okay, now can I change the name of the application? Yes, there is a one option called rename. Okay, let me give the application name is TCS. Name can be anything. Okay, name can be anything, or else Microsoft. Okay, one second. Okay, yeah. Sorry. Now, this is about what? TCS application. Okay. Now, I would like to deploy one application. Okay. That is ASP.NET application. Okay. First thing I would like to highlight one point here is the application uses the HTTP protocol. Do you know what is the port number for HTTP?
8080.
80, 80.
80. Okay. If it is HTTPS protocol, what would be the port number?
443.
443.
443. Please remember these two are popular and important protocol at present. If you would like to develop an application using any technologies, that is least further if it is web application, if you have developed by using .NET, Java, PHP, Python, whatever it is, then 100% the application has to be deployed on top of these two port numbers, HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, HTTPS most probably we can use for all banking sites. Okay, and the finance sites. Okay, also we can go for what is that, health insurance sites. If you want to make secure, then we can go ahead and apply SSL certificate. That is the cost. You have to spend around $500 to purchase the certificate. Okay, 500 in the sense in Indian currency around it will go 50,000 including GST. Okay, that is high cost. Also the certification period, okay, the certification valid period is 1 year. Every 1 year you have to renew it. It is quite common for banking, finance, all what is that, real real applications and all, everything. Okay, we can also take the certificate for 3 years once, for 3 years or 2 years. Okay, that is depends on amount. Okay, yeah, next. How to check whether my application is running on port number 80 or not? Just click on highlight. There is one option binding in left side. Click on binding. See, this is the port number 80. Okay, if you want to configure HTTPS, add here change. The moment when I change, immediately it is changing to port number 44. Okay, let it be. I don't want. Now right click, explore it. Here you could see application path. Default path of IIS web server. Note it down. What is the default path of IIS web server? What is the default path of IIS web server? C drive. Note it down. inet pub
www root.
root. inet pub www root. Okay, yeah, next. Now right click and explore it. See, this is the path. Okay, I'm going to remove the existing files. Let me write it down my own one sample HTML file. Okay, open notepad. Okay, HTML. Close HTML. This is the simple HTML file. What is the full form of the HTML? Hypertext markup language. Okay, using that we can develop static pages. Okay, yeah, HTML is the web-based language. Using that we can develop, what is that, Static web applications. Okay. Yeah. See, for example, I am giving body BG color yellow. I am giving yellow. Now close the body tag. So open brackets and closing bracket, opening tag, closing tag should be mandatory in HTML5. Okay. Yeah. Next. Now H1, I am giving welcome to Azure Cloud Computing. Just I am giving one line of statement. Okay. Now just try to save the file. Desktop. I am giving index.html. What is the file name, guys? Index.html. Just save it. Okay. Now right click, refresh. Have a look. Navigate to index.html. Copy and paste it. What is the direct path, guys? INET path www root. Please remember, this is important. And when I jump into app services, there also we'll discuss about it. App service in a sense which comes under PaaS, platform as a services. What is that? Which comes under what? Platform as a services. Okay, platform as a services. Clear? Now have a look. Go ahead and access the application. How to access? With IP address. Now go and paste it. See guys. Welcome to Azure Cloud Computing. Welcome to Azure Cloud Computing. I am pinning in the chat. You can also access it, guys. I hope you received my chart. Am I right, everyone?
Sir, you created under desktop, but how come this accessible?
No, I did not. I developed the application from our desktop. That is well and good. So where did I deploy? I have opened the server, right? This is the server. Okay. On top of the server, I have opened the INET MGL, Internet Manager. I mean IIS web server. INET MGL. Okay. Click on it. I try to deploy my web application on top of IIS web server. When I move on, click on TCS, see this is the only one page which I have deployed.
Okay.
Okay. Now, as it is public server, the IP is associated that VM. When I hit on enter, that whatever the application it is deployed, it is responding. That's what I am pinging in the chat. Everyone can access in the world. Let me know if you are able to access or not.
Yes, sir, I can able to access.
You are able to access.
This IP ID, you got it from that VM, right?
Yeah, this public IP associated for virtual machine. That is quite common, right? For example, if I go for TCS, what is the IP about TCS.com? How to check? So when I access TCS.com, I want to know what is the IP is mapped to TCS.com. How to check? Just very simple. Go to
IP
command
config.
from ns lookup TCS.com. This is the IP of TCS.com. Okay, copy and paste it. So my TCS.com site should be respond. So they have blocked this one. They have blocked. See, Microsoft Azure Application Gateway, they have blocked. Now, have a look. Same way I can do that. Wipro.com. What is that? NS lookup Wipro.com. See, this is the public site, public IP. Am I right? Now copy and open another window, paste it. It should be accessible. So Wipro people, they provided, yes, with IP also it can redirect it to what? Original Wipro.com site. Okay, but TCS.com recently they have blocked, guys. Like around 1 month back, we were able to access with IP also. So what they did not, they implemented some rules. If anyone try to access the IP address, my site should not be respond. That's what. Okay, it should be routed to TCS.com. This is also same I did. Wipro.com. When I go and paste it, IP address is mapping to domain, that is Wipro.com, so that my site is routing to Wipro.com site. Okay, this is how it will happen. That is that in real time, guys. Got it? Now, this is my application, right? Welcome to Azure Cloud. Can I apply some DNS name like tcs.com, wipro.com, shakertechnologies.com, shaker.abc.com, like that? Yes, or no? Yes, we can apply. Okay. In Azure, Microsoft has provided built-in feature. If you want, you can use it, or else you can go ahead and purchase the domain from GoDaddy. You can go ahead and purchase the GoDaddy. You know, right? GoDaddy. Have you heard about it? If you open any YouTube URL, first add that only. Have you observed, guys?
Yes.
Okay. Go to YouTube and open any video. Okay. Something else. First add that only. I'm not sure now it will come or not. Yeah, see. Have you observed? This is the GoDaddy offers a reliable site hosting, 99.9% uptime and best in-class security. Okay, this is the third-party vendor to provide. What is that? What is that? Domain names. Clear? Okay. Yeah. So this is about what? GoDaddy. Clear? See what it is saying. Web. So GoDaddy is a very popular in the market where we can go ahead and purchase your custom domain names. Okay. Yeah, we have a number of third-party vendors are there in the market, but very popular in the market is GoDaddy. Have you heard about it? This site? Have you heard about this site, guys? GoDaddy.
Yes, Shaker.
Okay. Anyhow, real-time professionals they might have not, but others. Yes, guys. Okay. Now, if you want to purchase domain, just go to GoDaddy. See here. For example, I want TCS.com. I want to purchase TCS.com. Anyhow, it is acquired by Tata organization. It will say it is not available. See, it is searching. What it is saying? Domain taken, TCS.com taken by some organization. Directly it is giving. Same way, I want to purchase Wipro.com. See what it is saying? Domain taken, Wipro.com. Okay, I am giving shakertext.com. I want to purchase this domain. See, shakertext.com available. The cost is 99 rupees, including GST and all. It will go 200 rupees. Okay. Shaker is not working. Clear. So, technologies.com. Technologies.com. Okay, technologies.com cost is 8,24,000. See, this is high cost. Okay, I am seeing this domain since 3 years. Initial cost they have mentioned 30 lakhs. Okay, later they changed it to 24 lakhs. No one has purchased it. Now they have downgraded into 8,24,000, guys. If you want to purchase technologies.com domain, you have to pay 8,24,000, including GST and all. It will go 10 lakhs. Okay. All application domain related, education related, 18% GST, that is standard in India. Got it? Yeah.
This 8 lakhs is for lifetime, sir.
No, 1 year. See, here it
One-
is given per year. YR. YR means 1 year cost. So
Okay.
let we have to renew it. For every year, they will give some discount. You have to pay out for it.
Okay.
Or it may increase or decrease. We cannot predict it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, fine. Now, can I change some content here? Yes. Now, first go to site, right click on your application page, right click, open another tab, try to open it in Notepad. So this is the application code. So instead of yellow, I will mention orange. Orange. Okay, now change it. I am giving H1. Welcome to Microsoft. Another word. Okay, yeah. Next, another thing is Azure was introduced in the year 2014. Okay, yeah, just save it. Close, close. Review. Refresh one time. Have you observed? Okay, I am pinging in the chat. You can also refresh that page. That should be replied. Can you check and let me know whether the page got refreshed from your end?
Yes, sir. Color has been changed to orange.
Yeah, color has been changed and new 2 lines has been added. Am I right? This is how background they will push the changes for application, guys. Manual push. If we do the automation, that we will get it through Azure DevOps. How to manage the Azure DevOps, that we will get into that later. Okay, for example, I have on my real-time application code. I will try to deploy it. How to deploy? See, this is my laptop. Go to this PC, E drive, web application, school app. So this is the application code, guys. Generally, if we consider one application which contains what? One. Which contains
Next HTML file.
CSS, HTML files, okay, and JavaScript, jQuery, okay, React.js, many types of files are there. See, under assets, we have CSS, fonts, images, JavaScript files. Also, when I go for vendor, we have Bootstrap and jQuery files. When you go for these are .js means JavaScript file. Bootstrap in a sense .cs and .js. Okay, this is the min.js files. See, these many files are there. Now, really, I want to copy these files. See how I am copying. Copy and paste it here. Okay, I'm pasting into where? IIS, on top of IIS web application, guys.
Sir, the application which you copied is a .NET application or what?
Yeah, this is the .NET application.
Oh.
I am deploying on top of what? IIS web server. Okay, it's done. I don't do anything. just go and refresh the page. Refresh. See guys, application is accessible. Grade school. Are you able to access? Just refresh from your end Azure.
Yes, sir. We are able to access.
Yeah. See, when I move the cursor, see these are the JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap effects. Okay, see here, time is calculation. Take any online course when like something else. Got it? Or no? Are you able to access?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, yeah. Now see, have you observed here it is showing not secure? Not secure in a sense. My application running on top of
HTTP.
yeah, HTTP. Copy and paste it. See, this is the HTTP. Okay, I want access with the domain name. Now go to here. Just click on what is that? DNS name. Have you observed? DNS name not configured. DNS name not configured. Click on not configured. Okay, yeah, next. Now here I am giving TCS. Okay, TCS label I am providing. TCS already used by someone in the world. I am giving TCS 2024. See what is the URL? TCS 2024.eastwest.cloudapp.azure.com. Okay, TCS 2024.eastwest.cloudapp.azure.com. That is the URL I am going to assign. This is the built-in, it is free from Microsoft end. Okay, now just save it. Okay, saved, public address changes. Done, save it. Refresh one time. Just refresh entire portal. See, this is the URL. Okay, TCS 2024.eastwest.cloudapp.azure.com. Okay, copy and paste it here. Okay, hit enter. Same site would be respond. Let us wait. See, guys, I am pinging in the chat. You people also can try it out. What is the URL, guys? TCS 2024.eastwest.cloudapp.azure.com. Let me know if you are able to access.
Yes, sir. Able to access.
Yeah, you are able to access, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you're able to access.
Yes.
Right. So yeah, this is how.
Sir, this East US is the place where we have deployed.
Yeah, where our virtual machine has been deployed. Inbuilt it is given.
Okay.
Cloudapp.azure.com. Cloudapp.azure.com, that is the subdomain that is managed by Microsoft.
Sir, if we don't want that cloud app and Azure, then what we have to do?
That we can't do. They are providing it as a free. If you want, you can use it, or else go ahead and purchase the domain in GoDaddy and map to your application.
Okay, sir.
So how to purchase the domain in GoDaddy and how to map that custom DNS to our application, that we'll see later. Okay, after 5 to 6 years. Okay. Yeah. So this is about what? How to install and configure the IIS web server, and how to develop one simple one page, how to deploy on top of IIS web application. Next, how we can host our real application into IIS web server, how to change the domain name for IP address that was associated to VM. Okay. Yeah. So practice it by testing this application in our system. If you have any questions, you can feel free ask me in the next session. Tomorrow, I am going to show you how to deploy one Linux machine. Okay. On top of it, how to deploy, install and configure the Apache Tomcat server. On top of it, how to deploy one Java application. That all we'll see in next session. Okay.
Sir, can you share these applications?
I will share by tomorrow. I will upload all these things into Google Drive. I will share with you by tomorrow session. Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, see guys, I make it my application ready within span of max 15 minutes. Am I right? So that is how cloud market nowadays. Everything is happening instantly. See, recently Microsoft introduced Copilot. Yesterday only they introduced it, guys. Copilot got Microsoft.com. This is the new. They are implementing for every product. They are started implementing for every product, guys. This is artificial intelligence. Changes are rapidly coming to the market. So how to adapt them? Like it is a super fast. How to adapt all these changes? How we can survive IT industry? That is the big challenge. Okay.
What is this tool, sir?
Is it like ChatGPT, sir? Or
Yeah, ChatGPT is open source, right? In ChatGPT, Microsoft 50% share is there. Okay, so that's why when you go for Bing.com, okay, there is a chart. See,
okay,
yes sir. When I go for chart, we will have that feature. Now the name is going to be changed. What is that? Copilot, guys. It's not responding. My internet is slow. Due to that, it is good. Some slowness. Should respond. What is that? Bing is not supported when you save such setting is set to restrict, right?
Sir, can you tell something more about IIS? I'm not able to
IIS is
correlate
a
it.
web server.
Okay.
Generally, if you want to deploy any application, for example, TCS.com is there. How it is accessing, how we are able to access? I am accessing TCS.com. Why? How I am able to access from outside? They have developed TCS application using ASP.NET, and this application they have deployed on top of IIS web server, guys. IIS is the web server where we can deploy one .NET application. If you want to deploy Java application, it won't support. If you would like to deploy one Java application, then you have to install, what is that? WebLogic, WebSphere, JBoss servers. You know, right? In the market, people will say, I am working as a WebLogic admin. I am working as a SOA admin. What does it mean? They will deploy and manage the applications in production environments. Got it? Whoever
Got
asked
it.
the
Got
question.
it. Got it. Got it, sir.
Yeah. Any questions? Any doubts? So yeah, artificial would be replace everything in the market, guys. In another two years, you can see drastical changes in the market. Drastical means we cannot expect like there is a wonderful world they are going to create. Okay. Yeah, how things will happen now? Like nowadays to draw amount we are using what is that ATM card and all. That is going to be override by everything with our fingers. You go to the ATM, put your finger on top of that one, it will validate everything, draw the amount. So there is no more chips and all, there is no more. A lot of changes we can expect within span of 2 years.
Really? With
Yeah.
just a finger, with just our fingers?
Yes,
Oh,
with fingerprints. Not only that, even automobile industry also. Okay, for example, you are going with speed of 120 or 100 by driving car. If there is a object coming to the picture, then immediately your speed will be reduced up to 80 or 70 to handle it. Automatically it will do that, not by you. So kind of more features are in place which will come into the picture. Okay, yeah, so practice it. In next session, we'll discuss about how to implement Linux mission in Azure, how we can host one application. That we will see in next session. Okay,
Sure, sir.
thank you
thank you, sir.
everyone.
Thank you,
Tomorrow
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.